Hello everybody, I just got some of my birthday presents in the mail, so we're going to do a quick Postbag video. So I'm just going to quickly open this box, unboxing therapy. It still amazes me that the watch statistics for my Postbag videos are still some of the best on the channel. I don't understand why people like watching me open boxes so much, but anyway, we'll just continue. Alright, and we'll get right into our first box here. Unless this is everything. I believe this is a set of batteries and a charger for my camera. Now, these are off-brand, but they had some pretty good reviews online, so I decided I would try them. Little USB cable here, little charging cradle there, and not one, but two extra batteries for my camera, which is good because I keep running out of batteries at the most inopportune moments when I'm filming. So yeah, these will be pretty nice, even if they don't have really great capacity. You know, I've got two extra batteries now, so yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's see if I've got any. I should have something else in this box, but let's see. That's just paper. That's just more paper, and oh, okay. I guess I didn't get the other things. So we'll just pause the video there, and we'll restart when we have more stuff to unbox. Alright, so we're continuing this video. It's only a day later, but there's been some exciting new developments in life. You may notice that the sound is a little more echoey at the moment, and that's because I have my own room now for filming. This is all very exciting and happiness for me. But it's a much smaller room than the dining room / living room that I was using before. I was just doing my filming on the kitchen table. So I'll be needing to get some makeshift acoustic tiling set up in here as soon as I can get it. And by makeshift acoustic tiling, I mean egg cartons. Those big, like 30-pack egg cartons make fantastic soundproofing. Anyway, let's go ahead and open today's package. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. In fact, I know what this is. And it will be another exciting development for the channel. Alright, so we open one yellow package to get another yellow package. Alright, well, let's go ahead and cut this one open carefully. Alright. Come on, let's get this. Alright, so we have a Bashoy Professional Cleaning Pen, which is actually something that we got for free with this order. But basically, it's just this sort of carbon fiber, or not carbon, I think it is carbon fiber. I think the fibers are impregnated with carbon. They aren't actually carbon fiber, but a little brush for cleaning dust off of your lens, and then on this side is a little polishing sponge thing, which I believe is also impregnated with carbon. There's something about it that makes it able to clean lenses. Not too sure about the science behind it, but there's two different shapes even. That's cool. Alright, so that's just kind of a bonus. But the really exciting part, oh no, here we go, another extra thing, lens cloth. You may be starting to figure out what I have now. What I have is, oh, that's interesting, happy, not happy. Interesting. So basically, give us a review if you're happy, and then you open it on this side, and the side that you can read is the review stuff. And on this side, if you're not happy, there's a bunch of customer service contact information. Very cool. Alright, so Now let's get to the real part of what this piece of Postbag is for. And that's this. Wow, that's very nicely packaged. For the price I spent on this, I was figuring I'd get a lens and a plastic bag, but no, they really kind of went all out here. So, this is a variable density, neutral density filter. So basically what this is two polarized lenses that are on a rotating ring. Now if I take my logo and put this lens over top of it and start rotating this, you'll notice that it gets gradually darker. And then if I keep rotating, it lightens back up until it's completely visible, and then repeat the process. So I got this for multiple reasons. One, because I want to do some extended shutter photography, and in order to do that I need to be able to block out a lot of light from the lens, so I can use this variable density filter. But being as it is a polarized lens, it also eliminates glare, or at least I hope it will effectively eliminate glare. So actually you can see how it actually does eliminate some of the glare from my logo there. So yeah, I'll be putting this on my camera and adjusting it so that we have less glare problems in videos in the future. So yeah, that's a good result. I think I'll go ahead and wrap up this video here though. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Over here will be a video that YouTube thinks you find interesting. Right here will be my Postbag playlist. That's what I'm doing. This is a Postbag video. And right here will be a link to my Patreon, which you can use to help support more Postbag videos and other projects. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.